Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to continue to talk about inequalities today, but with variables on both sides of the inequality. So we'll go ahead and jump right in. So I have 3x minus 8 is greater than 4x minus 3. Remember, when I have variables on both sides of my equation, I want to get them together. Same with inequalities. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides because I like to move my smaller x to my bigger x. So I get negative 8 is greater than or equal to x plus 3. Now I can say what is stopping x from being by itself, and that's the 3. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides. So I get negative 11 is greater than or equal to x. Okay, and so x is by itself, so all I have to do now is graph, and I'm going to graph just like I did yesterday. We're going to have negative 11 in the middle. We'll have negative 12 to the right and negative 10 off to the left there. Or I'm sorry, I said those wrong. Someone's cutting grass outside my window. I apologize. So again, we're going to do a closed dot above the negative 11. And this says x is less than or equal to negative 11. So I want to go less than, so we want to go this direction. So remember in the video yesterday, I told you we can't just go because the arrow says to go this way. That only works if x is on the left-hand side. Since it's on the right, that doesn't really work very well. All right, let's go ahead and try another one. So go ahead and try this one on your own. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides. Again, you could have moved the 6x, and that's absolutely fine. 6x minus 2x is 4x minus 12. I'm going to go ahead and add 12 to both sides. So negative 9 plus 12 is a positive 3 is less than or equal to 4x. We'll go ahead and divide by 4. So we get x is greater than or equal to 3/4. And that's totally fine. We can still graph it even though it's a fraction. I know how terrifying that is for some of you, but we can do it. So I might just go off to the left is 2/4, which equals 1/2. Okay. And then up 1 would be 4/4, which would be 1. And this would be a closed dot, and it says x is bigger than 3/4. So I want a number bigger than 3/4 because that alligator mouth eats the bigger number. So we're going to go ahead and go that direction. All right, let's try one more. So negative 3x minus 9 is less than or equal to 5x plus 9. I'm going to go ahead and add 3x to both sides. So those x's are together before we do anything else. So we get negative 9 is less than or equal to 8x plus 9. We're going to go ahead and subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 9 minus 9 is negative 18. Be careful, I see a lot of you sometimes giving me 0 for that. We'll go ahead and divide by 8. So we get x is greater than or equal to negative 18 divided by 8, which I'm just going to reduce that fraction, which would be negative 9/4. So I can go ahead and draw my number line. So negative 9/4. I'll go down 1/4, which would be negative 10/4 or negative 5/2. And then go up 1, which would be negative 8/4, which would be negative 2. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and draw a closed dot. I did lots of closed dots on this one. And we want to go x is greater than that because, again, the alligator mouth is eating that x, so it's going to be bigger, so we're going to go in this direction. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and skip this one. If you need help with that one, let me know. So let's go on to this one. So I see that I have some distributing to do first, right? So we're going to distribute this. So this would be 3x plus 18 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 24. So go ahead and solve that one for me. So I would subtract 2x from both sides. So I get x plus 18 is greater than or equal to 24. So I would go ahead and subtract my 18. So I get x is greater than or equal to 6. Then, of course, we're going to do the best thing ever and graph it. And again, that center number is just the number that it's greater than or equal to. And then we'll put one number to the left and right. We'll have a closed dot here. X is greater than 6 in this case, so we want to go ahead and draw our arrow going that way. I believe that's the last one on our page today. So I hope this goes well for you, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.